Hi, my name is Florin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a short tutorial that covers some of the most common Linux commands. Today, commands are essential for managing users, permissions, and ownership in a Linux environment. Linux uses a permission-based system to control who can read, write, or execute files and directories. Every file or directory in Linux has an owner and is assigned a set of permissions. ls-l lists files with permissions and ownership. Changing permissions, you can modify permissions using the chmod command. The chmod command can be used with the symbolic or numeric notation to add or remove permissions for users, groups, or others. For example, chmod 766 file.txt assigns r(w)x to the owner, 7, r(w) to the group, 6, and r(-) to others, 4. The useradd command is used to create new user accounts in Linux. It sets up a user profile, allowing the new user to log into the system. By default, it creates a new user without a home directory, but the M option ensures that a home directory is also created for the user. For example, sudo useradd alter-ego1 creates a new user without a home directory. And if you execute sudo alter-ego1, you can see the UID, GID and groups information. Next is the command chown. Chown command is used to change the ownership of a file or directory in Linux. It allows you to specify a new owner and/or group for a file. Ownership defines who has control over the file or directory, which is critical for managing access and permissions. For example, sudo chown alter-ego1 file.txt. The sudo superuser do command allows a permitted user to execute a command as the superuser, root, or another user with elevated privileges. It is commonly used for administrative tasks that require higher permissions, such as installing software, modifying system files, or managing users. Recap of commands. ls-l lists files with permissions and ownership. chmod modify file and directory permissions. chown change file and directory ownership. Useradd add a new user. id display user and group IDs. Sudo execute commands as the superuser. Thank you for attention. Please like and subscribe.